In the heart of the garden, a vibrant perennial stands tall with its unique glowing lanterns. Physalis alcakengi, the Chinese lantern, captures the eye with its brilliant orange-red papery calyces. These delicate structures enclose small, hidden berries, making the plant a favorite for ornamental displays. Beyond its beauty, this plant holds a long and fascinating history of traditional medicinal use. Ancient healers revered the lantern for its ability to reduce fevers and soothe painful inflammation. It was once trusted to treat ailments ranging from malaria to the complexities of scarlet fever. Even today, homeopaths recognize the plant for its potential to aid with various urinary concerns. Its diuretic properties have historically offered relief for those suffering from gout or painful arthritis. During the warm summer months, the plant produces lovely white flowers with 5 soft lobes. As summer fades, these flowers transform into the iconic, papery lanterns that define the species. Gardeners can easily propagate these perennials by sowing seeds or dividing plants in the spring. They thrive best in a sunny spot with well-drained soil, reaching heights of 60 centimeters. The leaves, picked fresh in summer, can be used in poultices to calm irritated skin. When harvest time arrives between June and October, the ripe berries are ready for collection. Always remember to remove the papery calyx before preparing the berries for any culinary use. In the kitchen, the berries offer a unique flavor profile that can be enjoyed raw. For a delightful treat, try stewing the berries or dipping them in rich, dark chocolate. They also serve as a beautiful, edible garnish to elevate the presentation of any dish. Indoors, the dried lanterns create stunning floral arrangements that bring a touch of autumn inside. Whether combined with other herbs or displayed alone, they add a splash of vivid color. Native to Southeast Asia and Japan, this plant has traveled across the world to gardens. It is sometimes called the winter cherry, though one must be careful with naming conventions. Other plants, like the poisonous solanum, share this name, so always identify your species correctly. The Chinese lantern remains a hardy, rhizomatous perennial that rewards the patient gardener each year. Its life cycle is a rhythmic dance, starting with spring seeds and ending in autumn harvests. The straight, thickened stems hold the fruit aloft, showcasing the lanterns like tiny, glowing lamps. As you walk through your garden, take a moment to admire this versatile and striking plant. It bridges the gap between a decorative garden feature and a humble, historical medicinal aid. The juice of the berry is often extracted, carrying the essence of the plant's natural power. Whether you grow it for its medicinal history or its aesthetic appeal, it is truly special. The bright orange hue stands out against the green foliage, creating a perfect visual contrast. It is a reminder of how nature provides both beauty for the eyes and healing properties. As the season concludes, the dried fruits can be preserved to keep the display going. Each lantern tells a story of growth, from a tiny seed to a vibrant, papery treasure. Cherish the Chinese lantern for its resilience, its utility, and its undeniable, radiant garden charm. May your garden always be brightened by the soft, glowing presence of these unique lanterns,